Hey everybody, how's it going? It's Adam at All Things Bonsai. I got a white beech a few days ago, and it had some quite long branches on it. So I've just removed some of the longer branches that I didn't want, but I thought it was a good opportunity to try and take some cuttings from this. So I just wanted to show you how to take hardwood heel cuttings. So what we've got is lignified wood, so a part of the tree that's already turned woody, as opposed to the green floppy growth which you'd get during the growing season. I've got just a basic plant pot with pretty much any old soil in it really, nothing particularly fancy. When I'm taking my hardwood cuttings, I actually want the cuttings to be quite long, so I want them to be a good few inches long, and that's probably about 5 or 6 inches long, this one just here, so this is a great candidate for a cutting. What I want to do then is just get this piece here. This is the piece that I'm after right now, so I'm just going to take that from there. Look, I'm just going to pull that off there. So can you see the heel just on there? Look, and that's the bit that I'm particularly interested in. So that's why they call it a heel cutting, because it's got that thing there and it actually looks a bit like a foot in a way. The next thing that I'm going to do is just nip out the apical bud just right on the top here, so that's gone. I'm also going to remove that bud just from there. We don't want too many buds, we only need a few. So the next thing to do then is, all I do is I just kind of shove that in there, and that just slides in, and I put it in quite a way. To be fair, it's going to be over halfway in and probably a little bit further, so you saw how long that cutting was, and I've only got that much exposed. I find if it's a little bit deeper in, it tends to work a bit better. There we go, pot full of heel cuttings. Don't forget to give us a like or a subscribe if you feel like it. It's very much appreciated. Just so you can see evidence of the cuttings working, here are some Japanese maples that we took in February of this year. As I said, it's currently October now. Things to say, these Japanese maples, the cuttings are a lot longer. You can see that, can't you? So those cuttings of the Japanese maples, they're probably about 10 inches, pushing a foot long. Now, because we took them in February, the cuttings didn't have much time to dry out, i.e. I took the hardwood cutting and then almost immediately spring, well, it sprung, didn't it? So it probably helped in the success rate of the cuttings. I suspect that it did.